Alright, we are here, Arthur Hills Road, where Davis Creek runs under that bridge right behind me, but it is flooded quite high. The water's still moving. We have our flood gauge sign out there that, well, I'm not going to be able to get anywhere near where it's, yeah. Can't read that. It's unfortunate. As you can see, I think I actually see raindrops starting to fall again, so yay, more rain on top of the 8 inches that we've already gotten. I'm just gonna come over here and see. It's literally just springing up through the road because we've gotten so much rain. There's some more springs. Pretty cool. See some fog. Well, I can see some fog. I don't know if the camera can see the fog down there where it's probably deeper, but oh well, that's it. That's all from this side. I think a lot of the water is still on the way up because I didn't see half the flooding I expected to for 8 inches of rain in 12 hours, so maybe we'll have some more later, maybe we won't. But until then, we'll see you on the next one.